What's going on, guys? Gabe with ReviewDork, and market's not open. I brewed coffee, booted up my PC, and today's a crypto day. I don't do crypto, but we can look at AMC, guys, and we can see we have $48 established as support and resistance. Previous to our most recent interactions with 48 at resistance, we could see historically we've only played in this area 3 other times. And in those times, 48 was respected as support, as you could see, both times bouncing off, and then we had a failure here. Now, why? We can attribute it to volume, but also, guys, look at the RSI here. So from our run-up, again, this is the 4-hour daily, we saw a trend down on the RSI. We are currently trending upwards with the RSI. Also, we see here, we broke out of this flag here, and we are experiencing higher highs and higher lows. I would like to see AMC continue on this trend, and we have some catalysts. Now, I know a lot of you guys say, like, well, Gabe, catalysts don't matter, it's a squeeze play. Well, let's go ahead and first satiate the argument that this is a squeeze play, because current short interest, 18.93%. This is a very, very, very high short interest. Now, as far as catalysts, we have Shang Chi breaking records for the best exhibition in Labor Day history. And to add to that, it did better than the first Captain America, the first Thor, and the first Ant-Man. So way to go, Shang-Chi. Now, this would be a catalyst, and for those that are going to argue against it, let's just remember the efficient market hypothesis. Now, the efficient market hypothesis, or EMH, states that the share prices reflect all information and consistent alpha generation is impossible. According to EMH, stocks always trade at their fair value on exchanges, making it impossible for investors to purchase undervalued stocks or sell stocks for inflated prices. How's that working out? Mainstream media, this is their underlying, the EMH. This is why you constantly hear the argument of fundamentals and fundamentals and fundamentals will always win out. But last time I checked, Cathie Woods said that Tesla is going to reach 3,000 by 2025. I'm not too sure if that's based on fundamentals, but what we also have here is behavioral finance. Now, the reason why we have to talk about behavioral finance, and actually this is the underlining as to which I trade, and I always focus on trader psychology. Now, a lot of you get on my ass because, you know, I don't really believe much in DD, and I know people are going to jump in the comment section and say, like, what do you mean you don't believe in DD? DD made you. No, well, I tend to look at different sets of data, and I attempt to share with you market psychology. And so what we have here is confirmation bias, of which the DD that a lot of people read on Reddit, etc., helps you create that confirmation bias. So it is an essential tool in the movement. I'm not going to discount it. However, there's just some theories that are reaching. Then we could talk about other biases, such as experiential bias, and this is more of like something that you've experienced. And in your experience, you're assuming that the happening is going to happen again. And this is something that a lot of beginning traders begin to develop. So you have the experience of losing trades, and so you sort of kind of like create that bias of, no, I shouldn't do this now because I might lose money. And let's talk about ETFs, because meme is finally going mainstream if Roundhill Investments gets their wish. Filing with the US Securities and Exchange Commission, meme would include stocks such as AMC and GME and would be rebalanced every 2 weeks. So our favorite meme stocks are going to have their own ETF. And we would join other ETFs such as Nerd, Bets, and Deep. And I believe Deep is up 53% for the year, and Bets is up at or about 60%, with Nerd seeing the more traditional 10% returns. So what would this mean for AMC and GME and other meme stocks? It could mean that we start seeing price stability or more volatility. We don't know, but this is actually pretty exciting to see that memes are getting their own ETF and AMC is included in this. And so, yeah, guys, this is Monday. It's a slow day. Hope you guys go ahead and relax. Fire up that grill one last time. Have a beer or two. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. I'm signing out. Peace.